Okay, how to settle this? So let us see. We need to do some configuration for this to do the settlement here. Settlement, internal order, actual posting, settlement, maintain allocation structure. Okay, so here we need to create one entries. R1 is there already. R2, click on assignments. This is my allocation structure R2. Now select your allocation structure. We want to assign few things here. So click on assignment, and here we want to create new entry and say give any number. Select this one and source. What is the source? So for example, for the canteen, we want to post say a few jail accounts expenses. Say like we will be posting grocery expenses, tea and coffee. So do we have such jail accounts? 00. This has to be cost element. So we have these cost elements. So now let us go and create a cost element group. We can use these also, but for this it has to be in the same sequence because we need to give here the range. Okay, from and to, there shouldn't be in between, there shouldn't be anything. So since this is not a continuous range, so we can create a cost element group. So that how do you create, or go to controlling, cost element accounting, master data, cost element group here. Okay, and here we will add cost elements. We have right. I'll save it. This one. Now go to here. I'll give the cost element group. Go to. We don't need this assessment cost element. Go to settlement cost, and here we need to give the receiver category. Okay, so what is the receiver category? Tell me. Where we want to settle?
Cost center.
Right. So we'll select CTR. Specify original cost element source. Okay. So we normally will select this checkbox. This means what happens when you do the settlement. When you book the expenses, you have used these cost elements debit, but here there was a internal order. Okay, there was IO, and when you settle this, we want to use the same cost elements, and the here this would be cost centers. This is the one way. Other way, we can have a settlement cost element. We can create a settlement cost element. Here you have to select cost element category 22. That means we will not have the track of the original cost where this cost has occurred. So mostly recommended solution is this one by cost element. We will select this one only. Okay, so first we'll see this one. So this settings minimum we have done, but now this has turned to green once we have given those zero counts and rest other informations. This allocation structure which we have designed, that we need to give in the settlement profile. We need to create a settlement profile. Okay, here we have to give the allocation structure which we have created. The document type we are using SA when we do this settlement. Document will be cost posted, that will be posted using document type SA. And where what should be the receiver? So receiver sender concept, right? The internal order is the sender who will send the value, and the value will be received by cost centers in the internal order. So, okay, what we have done, we have created a settlement profile wherein we just link the allocation structure. In this allocation structure, we have given what the original cost centers and the receiver types. The settings we have done here. Now, what we are going to do, profile R2 we need to assign to the order type. Okay, enter settlement profile in the order type. So what was our order type? I think it was R001. Yes. So here we need to give settlement profile. You see, settlement profile is R2. So done. This is done. Now what we want to do. So settlement profile we have done, and then we have assigned this profile to the order type.